Hi everyone, my name is Dan Wellman and welcome to my course, JavaScript Proxies and Reflection. I am a lead developer at Unilink Software, where I help to build software solutions to all aspects of probation and custodial management, working closely with governmental and private agencies both in the UK and abroad. Early in the design of the Proxy and Reflect APIs, it was determined that these technologies were just too powerful. This is partly why invariants, which we'll be learning about in this course, were added to the specification, to blunt some of that raw power. In this course we are going to cover the Proxy and Reflect APIs in detail to see how they can be used and what practical applications they might have. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: what are the Proxy and Reflect APIs? What are proxy traps and how can we use them? The differences between proxies and Reflect. When we should use Reflect. By the end of this course you'll know exactly what the Proxy and Reflect APIs are and the situations in which they will benefit your code. Before beginning the course you should be familiar with JavaScript and have a reasonable level of experience with at least ES 2015 and above. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn one of the least used but most powerful aspects of modern JavaScript with the JavaScript Proxies and Reflection course at Pluralsight.